bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, babies, we are going to be creating some fun artwork for the Dia de los Muertos, or in English, Day of the Dead. So I have here these really awesome banners that I am turning into a nice little artwork. And I thought that it would be a great idea to incorporate these using the fans that we bought at the Dollar Tree. If you guys watch my Dollar Tree haul, you will remember that I had purchased a few of these fans with the idea of doing a project. So here we go. This is the project. I am using the pink fan that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to be adding these wonderful little artworks to the fan, and this is going to be a very nice little artwork that you can put on your wall, or you can even turn this into a centerpiece if you wish. Okay, so it's very easy to create, very simple. All you need to do is go get yourself a nice fan from the Dollar Tree or even like any dollar store. And these are just very simple to use. They just open up like this, and they're very, very simple. So my very first thing that I'm going to do is remove this damn label that is annoying me. Okay, and so my fan is going to be on the wall, literally wide open. Okay, wide open, just like that. If you want to add a little bit of hot glue to some of these parts so that the fan can stay opened, you could probably do that. However, I am going to be using thumbtacks to hold this against the wall, so I'm going to be able to kind of like adjust it well enough that's going to open wide enough for me to put thumbtacks on each side. Okay, so I'm going to basically work with my fan this way. I'm going to open it up as much as I can, and I'm going to add the skeletons on it. Okay, so these are the skeletons that we're going to be working with, that we're going to be actually adding to the fan. How I created these skeletons are very easy. So what I used was these Day of the Dead felt garment or banner, and I bought this one at Dollar General. Only $1. You get 6 of these little beautiful skulls or skeletons, and what I did was I used 3 to create this project. So this is the one that I'm going to use to show you how I created some of these beautiful embellishments. Okay, so all I did was I just took it from the banner, and I'm basically just chopped off the back ribbon so I can just get this part of the banner. Okay, now I already created 2 here. I just need 1 more because I'm going to put 3 of these beautiful faces on the fan. So here what I have is this one that we're going to decorate. How are we going to decorate this? Okay, so if you guys remember, and if you guys are up to date with my videos, you remember that we used this little sign on a few of our DIY projects in the past. Okay, I believe the first and the second tutorial on the Dia de los Muertos, we used this signed. Okay, I had the hats that were left over because we used the skeleton and we never used the hats. So the hat is what I'm going to use actually to create this embellishment. I have here the hat, and I'm going to basically hot glue this hat onto my skeleton. Okay, that is basically all we did. Now if you don't have these hats handy because maybe you couldn't find the banner at the Dollar Tree, that's okay, because the Dollar Tree also sells these witch hats that are almost the same size. So all you have to do is use these little witch hats that are awesome, and you can also substitute it for this hat. Okay, so there you have it. That's beautiful. So now that I have my hat attached to my skull, what I'm going to do is, what I did with these here is I did a nice little big bow so I can put it right on the side of my hat. I use these beautiful, I love these so much. These are these gorgeous, beautiful tools from the Dollar Tree that they're Halloween inspired. I use all three colors, purple, gold, and orange. I just cut myself a little piece, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch this in the center to create myself a nice little bow, just like so. And then to hold the bow together in the center, I use one of these stems. Okay, I use the black one. So basically, I'm just gonna wrap this around a few times. I'm gonna take my scissor. Ooh, what was that? And I'm going to snip this off. And you're going to have yourself this adorable little gorgeous full bow that we're going to add right in this part right here of the hat. Okay, so let's do that. And we're going to add this in the side. And then what I also did was I went to my pom-pom section and I got these gigantic black pom-poms. I'm going to add the pom-poms right in the center of the bow. And there you have it. And that is how you create this fun, adorable little embellishment. How adorable is that, right? See these, how cute these are? They turned out so cute. I love them. I like the orange one the most. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so now that we have our embellishment, or basically part of our embellishment complete, we're going to open a fan as much as we can. Okay, and we're going to place down the skulls where we want them, and we're going to hot glue them down. Okay, so we're going to hot glue these down just like that. Okay, so let's get the hot glue. Okay, and I'm going to add some generous amount of hot glue on this. Guys, generous, okay? Super, super duper generous. I'm going to try to add it more on the felt, because the felt is a fabric that is very good to adhere really anything to it. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to do the second one. I'm going to place this right here, just like that. And the last one, I'm going to open this up and it's going to go right here, just like that. There you have it. See that, guys? And that, my friend, is how we're going to create this awesome embellishment. This is so freaking cute. Now, if you want to go back, I would do this, okay? Because I'm always like panicky about things falling off. So if you want to go back and add a little bit of more hot glue, on this side right here, you could do that, okay? I think I'm going to actually do that. So I'm going to lift this up like this in the back, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue back here, okay? And then I'm just gonna go like that, okay? Same thing with this one. Just a little bit of hot glue back here, and then we're going to go like this, and the same thing here. Okay, and that's gonna give you a little bit of better security on your beautiful, gorgeous sign. This is such a beautiful sign. I love it. So what you can do is, if you want to add more tassels to the sign over here at the bottom, that would be a perfect idea. What I would do is I would probably add some different kinds of lace and trim, make it really full, along with the colors that we're using over here, and that would really give it a nice look to your beautiful artwork that you're going to be placing on your wall. Okay, my love? And basically, guys, that is all I am going to show you, because there's nothing else that you need to do to this beautiful, gorgeous artwork. Obviously, everything else is basically done. You can actually add Happy Halloween somewhere around here if you wish. I honestly love it the way it is. The simpler, the better for me, because it has a lot of colors and it's very busy. So less is better in this particular case, for me anyway. But that's not to say that you cannot embellish it as much as you want to, because again, this is your project. You decide, okay? This is just me giving you guidance on how to create it, and then you can basically create it however you want to. All right, my loves, and that is basically all. I hope that this is helpful. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make this. I'm actually going to find a spot to add, I don't know, add it in my wall somewhere so that I can take a picture of it and I can show you guys in Instagram how it looks on a wall, okay? So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see this actually on a wall. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope you enjoy watching me make these. We have a few more videos to do for El Dia de los Muertos. If you guys really enjoying this series, and if you guys are wanting to see more videos, let me know at the bottom of this video. I'm not really sure if I need to make more for you guys. I have an idea on making 2 more videos, and then I think I'm gonna you know, call it quits for this particular tutorial. However, if you guys feel that you want more ideas based on this particular project, which is the Dia de los Muertos, I will do that for you. Just let me know at the bottom of this video so I am aware that you guys do want to see more different tutorials on this particular design. Okay? Love you. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys soon.